Yep.
This is a walking stick. Cool, I like it. They didn't make it.
I had somebody make it for you.
I like it. Then we have 2 walking sticks.
No, that's the one you have for now.
Okay.
That's your real one.
Did you throw the other one?
No, the dogs got it. They broke it.
Oh.
They won't break that one though.
Yeah. 'Cause this is like, this is like not breakable.
Ripley, you come with us. Come on.
Come with us.
Lead the way.
Ripley. 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 Come. Go. I'll stay with her. I'll stay on her side. Pick her. You go. Go. I'm her mother.
What?
I said I am her mother.
Yep.
Because I'm next to her. Like you're the daughter and I'm the mother.
Going down to the woods? Where are we going? Okay, walk down then. She's probably got to pee. She's probably peeing.
Pee there, okay.
Her, not me.
Oh. Let's wait for her.
Oh, we'll get her. She'll follow. You just keep walking. Dog's trained to follow you. She doesn't have to be told all the time. The bridge?
Huh.
I think that way. This way here, the other way.
Wait, hold this. Here's a butterfly.
It's gotta be right there. I didn't see him fly away.
It's okay, I don't even see him away. You can't even catch it.
There he is, right there. See him?
Okay.
Let him land. You gotta let him land first. Let him land. There he is. Now he's landed. See him? Hold still. See him? Do you think you got him?
I love it. It's so fun catching butterflies. Catching butterflies is the funnest. Did you catch a butterfly?
I don't catch them like you do. I'm too big. They see me coming.
You have to get ready. You said that you will.
Maybe.
What is that?
This is where the tractor likes to get stuck. Sometimes when I'm mowing the lawn. You gotta be careful. It's wet for me. Let's see if we can find your bridge. Here it is.
Here's the bridge?
There's the bridge.
Oh, here.
See it right there?
Hold this. I'm going to use the rocks. You have to hold this.
Oh no, that will help you when you cross the rocks. You use your stick when you cross the rocks. Okay? Rocks for, the stick's for your balance.
Can I get away?
Remember, you fell in the water last time.
I'm not going to do that because I don't like.
Yeah, you got long pants on today. There you go, perfect.
Not full off.
Nope. It's on.
No, it's going to fall off. What's this?
It's a cookout.
Is there a hole under it?
Yep.
I just didn't want to know. Because I want to know, but I didn't want to go in.
It's pretty.
I was getting the bird because I'm too small. They made this watch it.
What's that?
They bought it.
Yep. We bought this and then we cut all the trees out and made it to the field.
Ooh, so you made it?
Yep.
Ooh, I like it. But I have a question. How you made the bear?
The man carved it for us.
Who man?
Just a guy who does it for a living, a craftsman. I don't really know him, he just sells them. I thought you'd like having a little bear on yours.
I like it. It's cute.
Yeah.
There's Ripley. Ripley! It took a long trip.
Where you going?
Have to get him.
Careful. You gotta let him land. Do you see him? Let him land, let him land. Let him land, he'll land in a second. There you go. Now you got him. You see him? Let me see. Let's get him on camera. Show him to the camera. Gonna let him go? How are you gonna let him? Oh yeah, you got him.
You're calling him.
So let him fly home now. You can catch more. There you go. Careful. There you go.
I think you love me like Lana.
I don't know. That's Ripley.
Ripley, Lana. The butterfly loves me. The butterfly really loves me. I love the butterfly. That's something with the butterfly.
Careful with your stick. You just hit your doggy.
Sorry.
How many's that? Yep, careful you don't hurt them. And then let them go as soon as you can. There you go. Nice job. No sense hurting them, right?
I thought I did hurt him, but I didn't.
No.
I've been catching so much butterflies.
Yep.
Hey, can I tell you something? I saw a bug, and I actually got it.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something amazing?
What's amazing?
So last night, I was doing this, but I did my thumb, and I break my mom's wrist with my thumb.
You broke it? Or you make it
With
snap?
my thumb.
Yeah.
Yeah, like. Yeah, I actually break it.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm strong. I'm so strong. What is that?
It's a tree stand, an old tree stand. Yeah, you sit up high up in there, and the deer can't see you when they come out, and you can hunt them with an arrow. It's very old. What's that?
It sounds dangerous, but cool.
Dangerous and cruel?
Yeah, I like dangerous, but it's cool. It's so cool.
Oh, cool. Rip, rip, rip.
Yippee.
Now you can follow your trail this way into the woods, remember?
Oh, yeah. I love this. Maybe
It's nice.
next time we can buy boats.
Do what?
I had to keep an eye. I said, yep, I want to bring boats next time.
Both.
Both dogs.
Okay.
Lana, I was free. Like, Ripley over here right now.
Yep.
And Lana is there. In the house.
She's in the house, yep.
Ripley. Ripley. I need my walking stick. I don't really have one, but my walking stick. Huh?
Oops.
I just need help.
Now those are your new hiking boots for school, right? For tomorrow at the camp?
That got to my eye.
Yep.
Anyway, but
It's all gone.
I think I cleaned my eye, then I got on my.
So- Those are your new hiking boots for tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
For the camp?
Yeah.
So we're not going to cross the stream here because you might get them wet. So let's go in here, remember? Might even see where you walked last week. Maybe not.
I want to go a little deeper in the forest.
Okay. Watch your step.
Wow, but my walking just saved me.
Can you see that little shooting table right there in front of you? Right up here. Walk the path straight in the middle. You can almost see a little clearing here.
Straight. It's straight. There's a log beside.
Remember the little hill we have in here?
Yeah. I have a question. What is that?
That's an old table, shooting table.
Wait.
It's a lot of old stuff here from a long time.
That's from you, I know. I think it's from you because I know because you. Whoa! I see something. Oh. Here's Ripley.
Right here.
Okay, good. I just want to know what I should because I want her to think.
Keep walking straight up to the wood and a little bit to the right, and you'll see the path. That's a shooting target.
Well, what about that? We're covered with wood?
Yeah, we put some paper targets on it so you can see it. That's a gong. Makes a sound when you hit it with a bullet.
Papa.
Yes.
What is over there?
We're going to climb up there. You'll see.
In there? You're going to get in there?
Yeah, you're going to climb up this little hill right here. See how steep it is? Remember this? A little bit wet here, huh? So see this hill? You climb this hill right here, right past this.
Is that up there? Up there?
What's that?
Is that up there?
Oh, nope, this way right here. See this? Climb this way.
Oh, yeah, there's walking to tell me.
Yep.
There's Ripley.
She's right with me.
Good. What happens if you get lost in the forest?
What happens if you get lost?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to teach you how not to get lost. That's what your school is going to be doing starting tomorrow.
There. But, Papa, we want to see what behind it. No, the wood. Something behind the wood.
What's behind the woods?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean this big thing? Just the woods here. You can see it.
Nothing in there?
Nope, nope,
There's
just
a
dirt.
hole?
Just dirt, no holes.
A hole?
Nope.
Why this?
Why don't you follow me down to the stream here? Easier to walk. I think. Did you get stuck? This way, Maya. The stick?
Oh my gosh. What happened to that cow?
You just have to get back up.
What happened to that horse?
Oh, well, we can get you home.
Is that?
We can get you home.
Yeah.
I'll let you
Yeah.
see the creek.
Yeah.
So walk over that way. Walk up the hill a little bit.
Wow.
Nice job.
Can you make it?
Yes, I can. Thank you. Test my footing and...
That one was wobbly, but I did quick.
Yep.
Just follow where Whippy goes. Follow Lana, I don't know how to say. Lana, Ripley.
Ripley.
I don't know which and which. Like, I don't know who is Lana and I don't know who is Ripley. I just think this is Lana and I think that other one is Ripley. I just looked in my name for something.
I'm right behind you.
Can you break this? Break it.
Break it. That better?
Oh, yeah, that is. So it's easier to go in the forest. You would be going. I was going right back there.
I don't know what she's doing. Got her own path.
So I want to go over there.
Okay, go. Yep, you're in charge. Watch your footing
Why? Why is it sitting by?
so you don't trip.
Where is it? Do you see a fly?
Yeah, they're all around me. See, that's why I put my hat on my head. I didn't have to bring a hat. There's a lot of flies out right now. We gotta get back into the sunlight where the wind is, and then that'll get rid of them. You could go that way if you want to. Nice job with the stick. Go up that way, towards the sunlight. We gotta get in the wind. Pop-Up should have worn a hat instead of a GoPro. See the little trail? Stay still for a sec. Doesn't that kind of look like a trail right there? See this? Now what I want you to do is walk a little bit and then stop when I tell you. Stop right there. See how these ferns are a little bit damaged? So when animals walk by here, all right? You'll learn more during the week.
Thank you.
Keep going forward that way when you're ready. That's a fern.
I actually ruined them. Is that what deer eat? Do deer eat these? Do deer eat this?
Yeah, flies, horse flies are thick around here. Good girl. Stay with your little one here. Come on. Get up there with her. Get up there with her. Come on.
Did a fly land in my ear?
No, I don't see one.
Okay.
You can see the camera later.
Okay. I hope it don't get in my ear.
Nope.
Do flies land in your ear?
They'll leave. There's just a lot of flies and horse flies. See them right now flying around us?
They're actually eating me.
Nope, they're not in there. You're good.
They're eating me?
Nope.
What's that?
Now climb up your hill all the way up here. See it? You'll see a little trail that you were on before. Remember with the funny rock?
What? What's that?
Lots of bugs. Gotta keep moving. The longer you stay in one place, the more we'll find you. So the trick is, move whenever possible. And get to where there's even a little bit of wind will help get rid of a lot of the mosquitoes and stuff. But in the forest, they find us quick.
I saw a fly, so I get away. I get eaten a while right now.
Can you see your trail? Can you see the trail? Right? In front of you there? See the broken ferns and look for little tiny evidence.
I find one.
Yep. What's that? Well, what do you think that is?
Let's keep it.
We'll keep it. What is it?
I think a coyote.
Coyote. Yes, ma'am, it is. Very nice job.
Keep it. It's a muffin.
Yep. No, that's where the coyote died.
Can we give it to Lippy?
She might take it. I don't know. She probably knows what's been out there. All right. She's happy. No, she says, I'm good. Thank you. She says, there's no meat on that. It's too old for a dog to eat.
I think she loves it. I will keep this
Okay.
for Lippy.
So I'll carry your stuff, Lieutenant. Thank you.
Let's check for more. Did you get any, like, bad... You got a coyote or something?
This is a coyote. You were right. See how Ripley makes a trail and how you can see it better? That's what all animals do, deer and everything. The thing walks near ferns without leaving a path for you to follow. Now careful. See that's very sharp. So if you turn this way, you go up the hill, and we'll get some wind at the top by the house. Get the bugs off you. Bugs are thick. Aren't you glad I sprayed you? I forgot myself, though.
Yeah, take a break.
Sure.
We'll take our legs a little break. No one.
I thought you were taking a break. Coyote skull, very small. I'll take it though, thank you. Oh, there she goes. Get up there with her. Get up there with her. Ripley, go. Go with her, go. Go. Do your job. Go get her. Now watch out for the bushes on your side there. See, they're a little sharp. So stay in the middle of the path and watch where you're setting your feet. Keep walking forward. Keep going. There you go. Just walk right out of them. Yep, it does. That's why you walk through it. If you walk into it, keep going. Put your hands above you and walk out. We made it.
help me?
What's the matter?
Hands.
Hmm?
Can I hold the bone?
Sure.
Put them out? Can you put my hand?
Sure. Can you see your house?
Oh, walking. That's so hard.
There you go. Oh, look, my hat. Right there. It's an old hat of mine. I'll have to go get it later. Or we can get it now. Thank you.
Oh, you can wash it.
Yep.